That's how you know you're getting the best olive oil money can buy. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I am the two-time Nebocsid award-winning Nebocsid.
I am still the one-time Autistic Chef, lots of award-winning chef David Leahy. And today, what are we doing today?
We are actually going to give you an idea on what you can do after Christmas. I know that...
Or Thanksgiving.
Yeah, Thanksgiving too, but Christmas is the next holiday for turkeys.
Bah humbug, I say this.
Yep. And I know it's early, but better early than late.
Yes, so we're doing turkey soup today. Classic turkey soup.
Yeah, and this is great. I've tried it myself. This is a really good soup. One you can stick in the freezer and you can save for meals for a while. Yeah.
So we started with our stock, which is basically just water, salt, turkey carcass, dried sage, salt, pepper. That's pretty much it. So this is a really basic, a very basic soup. So
yeah, you boil down all the turkey bones to get the meat off of it, the leftover meat.
We had, yep.
And as you see, we have here the turkey. I'll bring over the camera so you can.
We got a ton of veggies here. We got a shit ton of veggies. Turkey potato. We're doing turkey potato today. So there's carrots underneath here too. This mound of celery, onions, taters. So ready to rock and roll. Let's go. First things first. Our meat. Meat. Oh, effing Rama. A lot of meat. Holy shit, a lot of meat in this thing. Be a chunky ass soup. Give some soup. What kind? Chunky! So we're going to put that in. We're also going to crank our heat up to maximum. Then we're going to start adding our veggies. First things first. And celery, and we just rough cutted them. We're not really gonna do anything like, so they actually able to have vegetables in the soup. You don't need to cut them really small, because they will disintegrate a little bit when you boil them. They just disintegrate a tiny bit. So you don't have to you have to make them like roll small, uniform and shit. No need to. Kind of a waste of time doing that. It's a waste of time. So that's up high. Add our onions, our funyuns.
You know, to start telling bad jokes and they're onions.
Yep. Starting telling bad funny jokes. And we'll do add potatoes too. What the hell? This is gonna be a quick one. It's gonna be a short video, guys. Hopefully not too short, but short enough. Cook this for like an hour, and then we're good. Get a little water. See, I peeled the potatoes here, so they look a little bit more nice today this time. Let's stir those in. That's gonna be a nice soup. Look at that. Hey, look at that. Oh yeah. That's gonna be good. Look at that. Nice chunky soup. Little piece of bread with this. Little French bread, little focaccia bread. Oh yeah, that's gonna be some good shit. That's some good shit there, boys and girls. Alright, we'll come back to you when it's a little more closer to done. It's going to take about 45 minutes maybe to an hour to cook all the veggies down. So we'll come back to you. Okay? We'll be right back after these messages from the Boston version of Boston oil.
Now, like we said, ladies and gentlemen, we have an advertisement for the one and only extra Nebocsid olive oil. The only olive oil endorsed by Nebocsid award winners, because it's not good enough to have extra virgin olive oil. It has to be extra Nebocsid olive oil. Because I spend so much time squeezing those olives. Oh, yeah. That's how you know you're getting the best olive oil money can buy. And since I take so much joy in producing this, you know that there's no way I'm going to overcharge you for it, because I would just feel bad if I made you pay too much money. So you know it's going to be affordable. Remember, folks, extra Nebocsid olive oil is the way to go.
Oh, hi! Welcome back. We're just finishing up our soup here. Give me a second here. Just going to cut some onions for garnish here. You don't have to do this for garnish. You can do whatever you want. Some chives, parsley. You can do whatever you want. I'm doing green onions. Camels, eat your heart out, camels. Camel soup, eat your fucking heart out, boys and girls.
Camels who?
Camels who? You can eat your fucking hearts out. Just a little on top. Just like that. There you go. Turkey potato soup. There you go, guys. So, until next time, I am still the humming my pain with a finger. One time, the Autistic award-winning Autistic Chef David Francis Leahy.
And I am the two-time Nebocsid award-winning Nebocsid.
Until next time, guys. See ya.
Bye, everyone.